Hi geeks, welcome to College Coders YouTube channel. In this video, I will provide you a free Android project. Without wasting your time, let's get started. I have already imported this project on my Android Studio. So if you want to know how to import and run project in Android Studio, I have already made a video over it. You can watch it from I button or I'll provide you the link in the description box. Now let's start it with the presentation of the app. So I take you to my Android virtual device. This is my Android virtual device. Let's switch it on. Now this is our app, that is music. Click on it. Here you can see so it's asking to access the storage, to allow access. Click on allow. This is the main interface of our app. So as you can see, last tried song, recently played song, my top tracks. So this is the top. So this is the song that we have downloaded on our device. Click on see all songs. So see the list of the songs playlist. Here you can see last ride, we have only one song. That's why it's showing only one song. Recently played. We have played this song recently. It's showing in our recently played. My top tracks. Name of the artist. You can search. Same in the playlist. This is all about this app. If you want to download this app, I'll provide you the Google Drive link in the description box. You can download it from there. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for further notification.